guys, welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write 1-week notice letter. What is 1-week notice letter? A 1-week notice resignation letter is a formal document that is used to give notice to your employer that you will be leaving your job in 1 week's time. This letter should be written in a professional and courteous manner, and should briefly explain the reason for your resignation. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write 1-week notice letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you will need to write down your information as the writer of this letter. You can write your full name. Under it, write your occupation in the company. Or you can also just directly write your home address. When you write the address, don't forget to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. Once you're done, write the date of the letter. Here, you can use the format of month, date, and year. In this example is September 6, 2023. And then, write the information about the recipient of the letter. Yes, write the full name. Under it, write the occupation or job position. And write also the name of the company or organization. In this case, the letter is addressed to the head of operations of Springfield Brewing Company. And then, write the address of the company or organization. Again, when you write the address, don't forget to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. And now, you can open the letter with salutation. Simple, write Dear Mr. or Ms. or Mrs., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, state clearly that this is a resignation letter. You can simply write it as with remorse that I write to you today with my formal resignation. After stating that, you can then mention when will be your last day of working. It means, you will no longer complete no long work there starting from that date. Since this is 1 week notice, it means the date will be within 1 week. In this example, the writer's last day of work will be September 13, 2023. In the second paragraph, you can talk about the reason why you resign. It is highly recommended that you don't mention it clearly or specifically. But still, you have to make sure that the recipient doesn't think it is because of the company or coworkers. Therefore, you can write the reason for the short notice as rather personal. And you can also write that all you can say is you are no longer in need of employment. Of course, it is polite and acceptable. And here is where you state it clearly that it has nothing to do with the recipient or company. You can then convince the recipient about that by expressing how much you love working there. For example, you can say I have very much enjoyed my 4 years working at this company. And mention the name of the organization. Still in the same sentence, write I have nothing but good things to say about management and my coworkers. Yes, even though the reason you resign is because of toxic coworkers or boss or the management, you are forbidden to mention it. Just write all the good things. This is a must. And the last paragraph, write your hope that the recipient will accept you short notice of resignation. Of course, the recipient is possible to reject, and ask you some questions later, so just prepare it. And offer your help regarding the replacement of your position. You can write please let me know if I can help you find or train a replacement. When you write this, you have to make sure that you have finished all the tasks given by the company for you. And finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature, and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write 1 week notice letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.